Dive into dropshipping, your ticket to freedom. Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Are you ready to take control of your life and career? Have you ever dreamed of being your own boss, making decisions that shape your future? Imagine setting your own hours, working from anywhere in the world, and enjoying the flexibility that comes with it. That's the beauty of dropshipping. It's a business model that offers unparalleled freedom. It's a low-risk, high-reward business model that can help you achieve financial independence and success. No more boring 9-to-5 grind. Say goodbye to the monotony of traditional jobs. With dropshipping, you have the freedom to build a life you love, tailored to your passions and interests. Dropshipping is perfect for beginners. It's an accessible way to start your entrepreneurial journey. It's easy to set up and manage, even if you have no prior experience. You don't need to handle any physical products, which means less hassle and more focus on growth. This means lower startup costs and fewer headaches, allowing you to invest more in your business. The best part? You can start small and scale your business as you grow, adapting to market demands. So, are you ready to unlock your entrepreneurial potential and take the leap? Let's dive into the exciting world of dropshipping and make your dreams a reality. Dropshipping Unveiled, a beginner's guide. Welcome to the world of dropshipping, where you can start your own business with minimal investment and effort. Dropshipping is a simple yet effective business model that has gained immense popularity in recent years. You sell products online without holding any inventory. Here's how it works in a few easy steps. 1. A customer places an order on your online store, choosing from the products you have listed. 2. You forward the order and customer details to your supplier, who will handle the rest. 3. The supplier ships the product directly to the customer, ensuring timely delivery. You act as the middleman, connecting customers with suppliers, facilitating smooth transactions. Your profit is the difference between the retail price you set and the wholesale price the supplier charges. Dropshipping offers numerous advantages that make it an attractive option for new entrepreneurs. Low startup costs, no need to invest in inventory up front, which reduces financial risk. Location independence, allowing you to run your business from anywhere with an internet connection, whether it's a beach or a cafe. Wide product selection, enabling you to offer a diverse range of products without the hassle of managing inventory. And scalability, making it easy to handle increasing order volumes as your business grows. Now that you understand the basics, let's dive deeper into the steps to start your own successful dropshipping business. Launching your dropshipping empire, a step-by-step roadmap. Building a successful dropshipping business requires a strategic approach, careful planning, and consistent effort. Follow these steps to set yourself up for success and achieve your business goals. 1. Choose a profitable niche. This is the foundation of your business. Selecting the right niche is crucial for your success. Research trending products and target a specific audience that is likely to buy. This helps you tailor your marketing efforts to meet their needs and preferences. Consider factors like competition, profit margins, and your personal interests. 2. Find reliable suppliers. Partner with trustworthy suppliers who offer quality products and timely shipping to ensure customer satisfaction. Research and compare different options to find the best fit for your business. Look for suppliers who specialize in dropshipping and provide excellent customer service to support your business. 3. Create an online store. This is where your customers will shop. Build a professional online store to showcase your products effectively. Choose an e-commerce platform like Shopify or WooCommerce that suits your needs. Design an appealing website that is easy to navigate and user-friendly. 4. Market your store. Drive traffic to your store through effective marketing strategies. Utilize social media, paid advertising, and search engine optimization to reach a wider audience. Create engaging content that resonates with your target audience and encourages them to visit your store. By following these steps diligently, you'll lay a solid foundation for your dropshipping venture and set yourself up for long-term success. Niche selection. Finding your winning product. Choosing the right niche is paramount to your dropshipping success. Here's how to find your winning product. 1. Identify your interests. What are you passionate about? Selling products you're interested in makes the journey more enjoyable. 2. Research trending products. Use tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and social media to identify popular products. 3. Analyze the competition. Look for niches with moderate competition. Avoid saturated markets with low profit margins. 4. Consider profit margins. Aim for products with a healthy profit margin to ensure profitability. Remember, selecting a niche is an ongoing process. Stay adaptable and adjust your strategy based on market trends and customer demand. Supplier sourcing is all about teaming up for success. Your suppliers are your business partners, so choose them wisely. Here's how to find reliable suppliers. Platforms like SaleWho, Spocket, and worldwide brands connect you with vetted suppliers. Industry trade shows offer an opportunity to meet suppliers face-to-face and assess their products. Contact manufacturers to inquire about dropshipping programs. Read reviews and testimonials from other dropshippers. When selecting suppliers, consider product quality. Ensure the products meet your standards. Shipping times. Choose suppliers who offer fast and reliable shipping. Customer service. Opt for suppliers with responsive and helpful customer support. Pricing and payment terms. Negotiate favorable pricing and payment terms. Building your online store is like creating a digital storefront. Your online store is your virtual storefront, so make it inviting and easy to navigate. Popular options include Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. Select a platform that aligns with your budget and technical skills. Use a professional theme and high-quality product photos. Create clear product descriptions and an easy checkout process. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly for a seamless browsing experience on smartphones and tablets. Install an SSL certificate to protect customer data and build trust. Your online store should reflect your brand identity and provide a positive customer experience. Marketing and promotion are all about spreading the word. Driving traffic to your store is crucial for generating sales. Here are some effective marketing strategies. Create engaging content on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Run targeted ads to reach your ideal customers. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to promote your products to their followers. Utilize platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads to display targeted ads to potential customers. Optimize your website and product descriptions for relevant keywords to improve your search engine rankings. Build an email list and send out newsletters, promotions, and abandoned cart reminders. Experiment with different marketing channels to find what works best for your business. Scaling your business tips for exponential growth. Once your dropshipping business is generating consistent sales, it's time to scale your operations. First, automate processes. Use tools and software to automate tasks like order fulfillment, email marketing, and customer support. Next, outsource tasks. Delegate tasks like product research, customer service, and social media management to virtual assistants. Then, expand your product line. Introduce new products to your store based on customer demand and market trends. Also, target new markets. Explore opportunities to expand your reach to new geographical locations or customer segments. Finally, reinvest profits. Reinvest a portion of your profits back into your business to fuel further growth. By implementing these strategies, you can take your dropshipping business to the next level. Real-life success inspiration from dropshipping stars. Countless entrepreneurs have achieved remarkable success through dropshipping. Here are a few inspiring examples. First, Erwin Dominguez. Erwin built a multi-million-dollar dropshipping empire by selling watches and other accessories online. Next, TZE Hing Chan. TZE started a dropshipping store selling phone cases and scaled it to generate over $19,000 in profit per month. And then, Cole Turner. Cole turned his passion for fitness into a thriving dropshipping business selling workout equipment. These success stories demonstrate the potential of dropshipping to create life-changing income streams. Overcoming challenges. Navigating the dropshipping landscape. Like any business, dropshipping comes with its share of challenges. Here are some common obstacles and how to overcome them. First, intense competition. Differentiate your business by offering unique products, exceptional customer service, and a strong brand identity. Next, inventory management. Work closely with your suppliers to ensure accurate inventory levels and timely order fulfillment. Then, customer service issues. Provide prompt and helpful customer support to address any concerns or issues. Finally, marketing and advertising costs. Set a realistic marketing budget and track your return on investment to optimize your campaigns. By anticipating and proactively addressing these challenges, you can navigate the dropshipping landscape successfully. Your dropshipping journey begins today. Take action. Dropshipping presents an incredible opportunity to achieve financial freedom and live life on your own terms. It's a business model that empowers individuals from all walks of life to become entrepreneurs. Remember, success in dropshipping requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to learn. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never stop striving for growth. Take the first step today. Research niches, find reliable suppliers, and build your online store. Your dropshipping empire awaits. Like and subscribe.